Alright folks, I'm back with another video, and a very, very imperative and important update on the situation. So, the video I posted about the stuttering issues with building stuff in Satisfactory, I've managed to narrow it down a bit, but this recording is going to be a final test to demonstrate if the issue is caused by building stuff as well. Last time, in a previous recording that I'm not going to post, I tested if dismantling, or rather spamming the dismantle tool, caused the lag spikes to happen. And it did. But now I'm going to test it and see if it happens with building. So I'm going to set a macro on my mouse. New macro. We'll do one spam while holding, and we will just say 1, and we will use a delay of 25 milliseconds because that's what this guy used when he tested to see what was causing the issue. So I'm going to see if it gets worse with building as well. So I'm going to go ahead and bind this to my e-spam. And I'm just going to hold it down. So this will spam the 1 key, which will bring up the power pole, and I guess we'll see if it causes any lag spikes. And of course, stat FPS, just to keep track. And go. Okay, interesting. It also seems to cause lag spikes, but not the same type of spikes. Oh, nope. Okay, what if I stop? Nope. The lag spikes still happen. So let's keep going. So, it can happen with the dismantle tool and when trying to see the hologram of something. And yes, you can see the lag spikes getting worse. Getting progressively worse the longer I do this. Interesting to note, though, it doesn't seem to be happening as quickly with the build tool. But dismantling still causes lag spikes. So I'm not sure if this is the same code, or if it's something else causing this. But I guess I'll keep spamming it and see. Oh, it's getting real bad now. Should crash soon. You can see on the right it's turning red and yellow on the stat counter. Right about here is when it started. Is when it crashed, when it got this bad. But let's see if the build mode can last. Oh! Nope. There it goes. So, yeah, it can happen with building and dismantling, and it gives the same error, compile data entries.isValidIndex. So I've gotten this error 3 times now. Same error. Same line referenced. All of this down here is the same as well. I made sure to check. So all of this is the same, and we now have a consistent method of reproducing the crash. So, this issue is now a top priority issue for Coffee Stain to fix, because it is absurdly easy to reproduce. And you can do it on accident, too. Like, I've had this issue happen on accident. Like, as I mentioned in my previous video about it, all I did was play the game normally, and after about an hour of just normal gameplay, I started getting lag spikes when I was trying to build and dismantle stuff. And it was really annoying. And I wish, there was a fix for it, outside of just reloading a save. So, sorry about the dog, I don't know why she's barking, but point is that this bug is really bad because it is extremely easy to reproduce. You can do it on accident and is actively obstructing the player's experience as a result. So, I'd wager this is pretty dang important for the devs, and it's consistently reproducible as well. This gives me the same error every time whenever I spam build something, or whenever I play the game normally, or when I spam dismantle. Or again, play the game normally. And that's a problem, especially when it's so easy to reproduce. So, hopefully this gets fixed. And I didn't show it on Task Manager, but yes, my CPU and GPU usage were dropping every time those lag spikes would happen, even before this recording. So, still happens. Nothing has really changed aside from we know now how to reproduce it very, very consistently. Or somewhat consistently. I don't know if there's a specific number of times you need to spam it in order for it to start lagging or crashing, but, at least we have a method to reproduce it, right? So, I think that's all that really matters. So, yeah, hopefully this provides some context, and hopefully this gets the devs to fix this. Hopefully by the next update to experimental, because, this is really bad, man, and you definitely can't let a bug like this get into full release, otherwise you're gonna have some complaints. So, yeah. Please get on this, Coffee Stain, it's very bad.